Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen refresh rate in your phone Moto G04. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to display, then go to display refresh rate. Display refresh rate. By default, it is set to auto. If you would like to set custom refresh rate, you can choose from the available options 60 Hz and 90 Hz. If you choose 60 Hz, it will be less smooth, but it consumes less battery. Okay, so ideal for longer battery life. If you choose more refresh rate, that is a 90 Hz, it is smoothest but consumes more battery. So if you concern about the battery life, choose 60 Hz. Otherwise, if you concern about only smoothness, use 90 Hz. In this way, you can easily change screen refresh rate in your phone Moto G04. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.